3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Advocating Agriculture for All. When have a business agriculture, food for our people, and enhance agricultural skills.
Get ready to provide the livelihood, food work, and the help the economy in the natural environment.
We dive into sustainable agricultural and let's embark in this journey together.
Graphical features of agricultural ecosystem can include factors like soil type, slope, elevation, climate, water availability, and proximity to bodies of water. These features influence the type of good standard of crops, farming methods, and overall productivity.
Choosing the types of crops to plant is important to agricultural economic development of an area. Different types of crops have different health, economic, and environmental benefits. For example, fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals that are important to human health. Rice and corn is the main source of nutrients for many populations.
Proper farming techniques can help people in many ways because one of its main benefits is increased yield, resulting in more foods for the community. However, sustainable farming methods can maintain soil health and help protect the environment, and with the use of modern methods such as organic farming and precision agriculture, production can be improved while monitoring the use of hazardous chemicals and the effectiveness of inputs such as water and fertilizer.
Increasing overall productivity in agricultural sectors can bring benefits to people, one of which is many fruits harvesting, resulting in more foods available for human consumption. This can also increase other work in the agricultural sector. Moreover, more productivity in agriculture can have a ripple effects on other sectors too. The economy, such as job creation and strength of the local economy in rural areas.
Based on our research, the agricultural ecosystem has 7 important factors. This is the food production, environmental benefits, carbon sequestration, cultural heritage, sustainable resources and management, and last but not the least is ecosystem services.
Food production is the one most critical feature of the agricultural ecosystem. Without it, human and animal would not have the sustain they need to survive and thrive. Agricultural ecosystem provide the necessary condition of the growing crops, raising livestock, and cultivating other food sources. Ensure in a steady supply of foods in both local and global population. Fundamental not only for meeting basic national needs, but it also supporting economic development and food security and overall human well-being.